Covergirl Clean Fresh in natural lights. No studio lights are on. I'm facing this window and that's it. This video is a request from a subscriber. They left a beautiful comment. Now I'm going to create this Covergirl Clean Fresh face powder in natural light only. So you and the rest of my community can see what it looks like in natural light. Let me know if you think the shade is correct. The shade name is 200 Rich. The window is right there, so I'm hoping that you can see. This is Covergirl. I'm using a puff. This is what the shade looks like. I do have primer on. I'm using the Covergirl Semi-Matte Primer. I'm dabbing it, pressing it in my skin, and then I will then I'll brush the excess off with a brush. I'll also go outside and take a picture on my phone so you can see what it looks like. This is what my face is looking like after I pressed the powder in my skin, and then I took this and buff away some. I am still going to take a brush and buff off excess. But this is what it looks like. Natural light. Only a window. I have this brush. It's fluffy that I got from my ice cream box. Always remember, when you put powder on, if you want it to go on light, you use a brush. If you want it to go on heavy, you use a puff. After you finish putting your powder, you always want to take out excess with a brush. So I did that. This is what the Covergirl Rich is looking like. This is natural light. There are no other lights on except the window. This is my face. The closer I get to the window, the more light you see. That's me leaning towards the window because the window is right behind the camera. So you see all the light. And if I move further back from the camera and the window, this is my face. This is Rich 200. Let me know what you think in the comments, because studio lights can show it differently. That's why the comment was really good and I wanted to do one in natural light. I'll put a picture in there so you can see the inside, in front of the window, and outside also. Thank you very, very much for watching. Today's I am is I am going to stay encouraged. I am going to stay encouraged. That's an action. You've got to take action. Believing it alone is not enough. We have to take action. I am going to stay encouraged. I am going to stay encouraged. I pray you are taking action to stay encouraged. It is tough out there. It is easy for us to lose faith, hope, joy, happiness, and even our life. And when I say life, I mean not physically, not there, but inside. Because most of the time, by the time we realize things are happening to us, it's already taking place on the inside. So I pray that you stay encouraged, reach out to your sources, reach out to other people, talk, 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 talk. Make sure you have someone who will listen to you. I love you dearly, and as always, you're welcome and you belong here on this channel. I will see you shortly. Bye.